Crayoni JMS tutorial. In this video, let's see how the editor sends the revision requested from the reviewer to the author for the further revision. For that, I have logged into the editor's login, clicking on the particular journal, moving on to the submission to which the review has been completed. Here you can see the editor has invited 4 reviewers, out of which 3 reviewers has completed the review. And under the recommendation, you can see one reviewer has accepted the submission and other 2 reviewers requested the revision. To see the full reviewer comments, the editor can click on the drop down. So here the full reviewer details and the comments will be shown here, such as reviewer email, what is the review sent file to the reviewer, and the reviewer form and the filled form by the reviewer. So the editor can download this form and see the reviewer comments. And finally, the recommendation will be shown here. So under which the reviewer comments to the authors will be given here. So this is the comment given by the reviewer. And this is the confidential comments to the editor which the reviewer has given. So the same process continues for the all reviewers. All the comments will be shown here. So if an editor wants to send this reviewer feedback to the author, there's a 2 options in the Crayoni JMS. One is auto-combine of the reviewer comments. For that, the editor needs to click on Send Review to Author. So once the editor clicks on this button, so all the reviewer comments will be auto-combined here. So as you can see here, the 3 reviewers' comments is combined. If the editor wants to make any correction to this reviewer feedback, they can make an edit. So I'm just moving to the next. So since this is accept submission, I'm editing this comment. So the final step is the preview. So before that, the editor needs to set the response and review due date to the author. So once all those details are filled and the preview is fine, so the editor can send the comments back to the author. Once all the details are filled, the editor can send the revision request to the author. So for that, the editor can click on Send to Author. Now you can see here in the left hand side, a new tab has opened, Revision Details. So here you can see the status as revision requested to the author. So we can click on the drop down and see who requested the revision, what is the request date and response due date, and what is the comment is passed to the author. So the author will be getting an email regarding this revision request. So from there, the author can log into the system and submit the revised manuscript. If the editor wants to delete the revision, under Action, there is an option available for delete the revision. There is another way to request a revision in Crayoni JMS. The editor can click on Action and click on Request Revision. The key difference between this method and the previous one is that in the earlier method, all the reviewer comments are automatically consolidated and included in the revision request. So this saves the editor time by eliminating the need to manually copy and paste the reviewer feedback, which improves the usability and ensures that no reviewer comments are missed. With this revision request option, the editor can provide additional comments directly to the author. Let's say, for example, the editor can review the reviewer comments, and if needed, they can add any supplementary instruction or clarification that needs to be sent along with the revision request. So this option is particularly useful when the editor wants to communicate extra feedback beyond the reviewer comments or highlight specific changes that need attention. So first, the response and review due date needs to be fixed. So the editor can specify the response and review due date. The response due date indicates the date by which the author is expected to acknowledge or respond to the revision request. The revision due date specifies the deadline by which the author must complete and submit the revised manuscript. And there is a 2 option available at the top. That is, the revision will not be subjected to a new round of peer review. This means that this revision will be takes place under the round 1 of peer review process itself. Let's say, for example, if the editor wants to send the revised manuscript for again to the reviewer for another round of revision, so they can click on this second round of peer review process. So now, if needed, here the author can give the author comments. So they can manually copy paste the comments and click on submit. Shows the option that this revision needs to be subjected to another round of peer review. You can see here round 1 and round 2. So the revision requested now will be in the round 2. So under this revision details, you can see all the revision comments which has been filled by the editor. So this is how in Crayoni JMS the revision is requested to the author. Thank you.